I can, I'm able. Two words that pull you when you have fallen flat. Two words that remind you your strength didn't disappear, it didn't go away. In relationships, I can means showing up even when it's hard. In social movements, I can means refusing to stay silent when injustice stands tall. Confidence isn't about knowing how, it's about knowing that you will. You'll land on your feet. Maybe not where you expected, but maybe exactly where you were meant to be.